Okay, today I'm going to show everybody one of my little hidden gem places. This is the Erie National Wildlife Refuge, and it's kind of a hidden gem. I literally never see anybody else here most of the time. This is the observation blind, so right down there is where I've taken most of my waterfowl photos, and I'm going to do a video kind of walking back through there. It's a really neat place here. I'll try to get another map and post a picture of that, and I'll put some directions on here, Google Maps and stuff, so people will know where this is. We're like a couple miles from Wentworth Ford. I think this is considered Guy's Mills. 173 is the road that comes in here, and this place has tons and tons of trails, a couple ponds, little creeks coming through here. What's out to the side there is actually Sugar Lake, and this is called the Sugar Lake Division. So there's two parts to the Erie National Wildlife Refuge, and there's Sugar Lake and Cambridge Springs. So the Cambridge Springs ones I haven't spent much time at. It's more trails and less water. So obviously with waterfowl, I'm usually here. So I'm just gonna grab the tripod. We're gonna walk back in the trail, and I'll kind of show you the observation blind, which is a neat little area. It's just a short walk, and we'll head back there now. So this is an actual trail, and they do maintain this still. I think it's a DCNR that does all this. I'm sure it is. And they do a nice job. It's pretty beautiful out here today with all the fresh snow. I can hear some geese. They usually always make sure they're heard. Used to come down here at like 5 o'clock in the morning, and the trick of it basically was sneaking down here and trying to get to the observation blind before the geese blew your cover. Didn't always work. So coming up here, there's actually a little bridge, which is one of my favorite pictures I've done. One morning I came down here, and the fog was so thick I couldn't even see into the water, so I stopped. There goes a mallard. I stopped and turned back and took a picture of this little bridge, and my family kind of calls it the Lord of the Ring photo, because it has kind of a mystic look to it, I guess. Well, let's see if I can fall over top of that tree that is fallen. Okay, let's get this tripod legs a little lower here. So this isn't my final video. So yeah, this is the little bridge that I took a picture of one morning, which is one of my favorites. So the neat thing about this place, I'll show you here, is they have this observation blind built out here in the water, and it's pretty basic, but it's really neat. So come in here, you have these slots, and of course they move. So we can move those around, and then of course you have water out to this side and all around you, and then the slots are your blind. This little pool out there is a great place. A lot of my wood duck pictures, mallard pictures right here. The geese will kind of set up along here all the time. So out in those trees, I've got immature bald eagle up in the tree there. There's sometimes an eagle. This is also a spot where I have photographed sandhill cranes in in the summer. Obviously a lot of great blue heron here. Mallards, pintails, wood duck, teal, everything comes through here. Beautiful little place. And like I said, all these slots are super neat. You just slide them out of the way and see what you find. Obviously white-tailed deer here also all the time. So I'll get another shot of this little enclosure again, but this is the observation blind, and you can see the area around it. Really neat little spot. Actually keeps the wind off you and stuff too, so on a cold day like this, not exactly heated, but it's warmer. So that is it. I'll try to see if I can find any birds out here and get some photos, and we can see kind of where they came from.